So this is actually an idea that Kate started. I should let you talk about it, Kate.
Yeah, so I actually wrote this in my notes app one night. I just wrote little body, big-headed animals. And then I came in the next day and I made the first draft of what became the pet packets. So originally I made them with just the plain hubs, and then Ryan was like, a great idea would be to add stickers to those hubs to give them a lot more expression. So that is what's completely new about these, and it's never been done before with Plus Plus, is that these actually have stickers for the eyes to make them a lot more expressive.
That's right.
And they're all just around 40 pieces, so really simple builds, and they're super cute, which is a huge plus.
Huge plus. You have instructions to build a pet. You have a little mat you can cut out. This has a little dog bone shaped bed.
So cute.
This turtle has a little rock it can sit on.
Mine's like got a little pool type area there.
So let's go through the characters. So we have Playful Puppy, fun lime green and blue.
Bashful Bunny here, and she is in a lilac, and our new color, lavender, is also in this one, which is exciting.
Yeah, 3 new colors this year, lavender, sky, and papaya.
Ooh, some of my favorites ever.
Tired Turtle, look how sad and droopy and tired he is. That's Tired Turtle.
Aww. And we have Curious Cat here that has a fun little zesty look in his eyes, because cats are always getting into things.
That's right, you wouldn't know anything about that.
No.
No cats in your house.
No, none.
And Adoring Axolotl with Pearl, right?
Yes, those are
Jade
and
Jade colors with these adorable little eyelashes. So again, each one of these has stickers. So these hubs, just a little backstory on these. We created the hubs years ago when we first reinvented the wheel with our Go line, and the hubs, we call them hubs because they're the center of the wheels that you snap together in any of our products that have a spinning wheel. But like anything with Plus Plus, you can use it for anything you want. So it also becomes an eye. So our critters and our creepy critters, which are over there, those have had these for a while, but now with the stickers, it gives you a whole new element of expression. So each one comes with the 40 pieces Kate mentioned, 2 hubs, and 2 stickers for the eyes, and a collectible sticker that you can put on your water bottle.
Yes.
Or on yourself.
Oh,
There you go.
Aw,
I'm Playful Puppy
he's a puppy
now.
today.
Yeah. How did you go about coming up with the animals and deciding which of the animals you were going to use?
So I thought about it, and I thought, we have to have the classic animals there. So a dog and a cat.
Of course.
That everybody has, And then I thought, what are some fun animals that could also be added? So turtles are always super popular. And so I thought we could create a really cute little turtle, and then the eyes just brought it all together, and Tired Turtle, it just came together naturally. And then axolotls, I'm sure as everybody knows, is all the craze right now. Yes, everybody's obsessed with axolotls. So I said, we can't just have one axolotl in this set. We have to have 2.
We have to have a lotl?
Yeah, we have to have a lot of axolotls in the set. We had to have 2.
Sorry.
And they have to have different personalities. So that's kind of how the characters came about. And then I worked with one of our designers, Fiona, our graphic designer, and she's the one that created the designs for these eyes. So that ended up adding a lot more personality, and we were able to come up with the descriptors for them and really make these into fun little personalities.
Yeah.
And she also made the mats on the back. So her designs really brought this product to life for sure.
Absolutely.
And it's fun if you collect multiple ones of these too, you could also swap the eyes between the sets. So you could put the Tired Turtle eyes on the axolotl, make a tired axolotl.
There you go.
Was really looking for some alliteration there, but didn't quite get it.
Yeah.
And then this artsy axolotl also comes with one of our new colors, and this is Sky, which is a really pretty powder blue. So we're very excited for that one as well.
And oftentimes when we're creating these new items, we'll also ask our fans. So keep an eye out in your Instagram feed or your Facebook feed or wherever you see the socials, you might see a poll. Like this year, we'll be talking later about our new Scoops line, which you can see back here, our ice cream line. And we tested out, I think, 10 different flavors that our fans voted on. And similar with these, we'll often create more animals or more styles than we think we might need to do. And then we'll get our audience to vote. So you decide what animals we make or what subjects we focus on.
Exactly, because we're designing for you, so we want your input on that as
Right.
well. So
You might not know, one thing Kate discovered when she started working here was that when we design a new animal or any new item, we always build it in white first. So it's kind of like if you picture an architectural model, like somebody's building a house or an apartment building or something, they'll build a model in white first. And so we do the same thing with Plus Plus. We'll build the entire thing out of white. And the reason we do that is we want to get the form just right and the piece count just right, because that's really important. And we use a scale to measure, to see how many pieces we have. And then that way the color doesn't really distract us in that design process. We can get the form down, and then we can add the color easily later on. So,
Yeah.
fun fact about Plus Plus product design.
exactly. And when I first saw Ryan doing that, I was like, what? What are you doing? That man's crazy. But then I actually started doing it, and I was like, okay, this is super helpful because you're not distracted by a bunch of colors, and then you can be more intentional about adding colors in the future. And I also really like to keep those white models too, just to, keep it for the archives.
That's right,
and
to keep
look
safe.
back, get sentimental about it sometimes.
Yes.
So this is the flyer that comes with it, but if you prefer to build online and have it blown up to your entire screen, you can go ahead and scan this QR code, and app instructions will also pull up.
There you go.
So we're trying to offer as many ways as possible to be accessible with instructions with Plus Plus. So that's a
right.
really good way to learn too.
Yes. And our app, Kate is working hard all the time to add new content to our app. She also sneakily tests out new products in there. So sometimes
true.
you'll get a little sneak peek at a product that's coming. Like last year, you put a jetpack in there,
Yep.
which may be coming out sometime.
It could be.
So she'll sneak little things in there and then see how people respond and how many kids build those models. And also on the app, you can upload photos of your creations so that everybody around the world can see what you're making out of Plus Plus, and you can inspire other people.
Yeah, and you can comment on other people's and like theirs too. So
True.
it's a really good and fun way to connect with other Plus Plus fans around the world. Yeah, we always love seeing everybody's creations and getting inspiration from you guys as well. And also, if you have a request for an app build, go ahead and send it in as well, because we had a request for a house. So I recently put a simple house up on the app.
Nice.
And that one's been doing really well. So
Awesome.
yeah, if you guys have any requests, anything you've been wanting to build out of Plus Plus, I'll just add it onto the list and add
There
it
you go.
eventually.
Oh, you already finished yours?
Yes,
You're so
I've
fast.
just
I've been too busy.
finished. The puppy has a lot of, that's like the most involved head, I feel like, with the ears and everything, the really floppy, fun ears.
Yeah.
But this is how my artsy axolotl turned out. But these are just so cute. I almost cried while designing them, true story. They just they do something to me. But yeah, you can have a fun sticker. And
There
if
you
you
go.
have, oh, so cute.
Playful puppy.
And if you have a Plus Plus suitcase or a Plus Plus travel case, you can also put these stickers on there as a fun little, I collected this.
That's right, or your water bottle,
Yeah.
wherever you want to collect your stickers. Also, most of these have little posable heads, so you can move their heads around and pose them just like you like them. So that's just a few of the new things we have coming for this year. So much coming, so much in store for the rest of the year. We love seeing everything you're creating. So please continue to share your creations and like and share and subscribe these channels, because this is how we connect with you and share with you what's going on here. We're a small company. We're right here in Greenville, South Carolina. We manufacture all of our Plus Plus in Denmark, which Case got to visit this year. And sometimes we'll do live streams from Denmark too. So we're really proud of our really end-to-end sustainable manufacturing in Denmark, and then our product development and marketing process here in Greenville.
Thank you guys for joining us today. We appreciate it. And go adopt some pets.
That's right. And show some love with
Show
your
some
Plus
love.
Plus.
Yes, exactly.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you guys.